Allah is one. Allah has no partners. Allah has no parents. Allah has no children. There is none like him. There is no God except Allah. Allah is eternal. Allah is independent. Allah is in no need of us. We are in need of Allah. We worship Allah. We believe in Allah. Quran. Allah has declared. Say He is Allah, the one and only, Allah the eternal and absolute. He has no children nor was He born, and there is none like Him. Hadith. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, whoever sincerely declares that there is no God except Allah will surely enter paradise. Now test yourself. Allah is. Allah has no. Allah is in no need of. We are in of Allah. We, Allah. There is no but Allah. There is none like. How do we know that Allah is one? Allah has revealed in the Holy Quran that He is one. This is the surest way of knowing. All prophets have taught that Allah is one. Allah is all-powerful. He needs no helpers nor any partners. Only the weak need partners. Allah has created all of creation in perfect order and harmony. Had there been more than one God, there would be chaos in the universe.
A class has one teacher. A car has one driver. A country has one leader. If there were two, there would be chaos. There is no such chaos in creation, and so we know that there is only one Allah.
Allah says in the Holy Quran,
لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا فسبحان الله رب العرش عما يصفون.
if there were, in the heavens and the earth, other gods, besides Allah, there would have been confusion in both. Many people are confused about Allah. Some think that Allah is two and some say that He is three. Some even believe that everything is Allah. A Muslim is never confused and easily finds his way out of the maze of confusion so many others are in. Now solve this puzzle.
Read this poem. Declare the oneness of Allah. La ilaha illallah. Allah is one and can't be three. The truth is simple as can be. He's the source of everything and doesn't need a single thing. He wasn't born and will not die. And that is surely not a lie. Muhammad-ur-Rasulullah, the final prophet of Allah. Peace and blessings on him too, who came to show us what to do. Allah chose him for mankind. No one greater will we find. And his sunnah is our guide. By his ways we should abide. Those who believe in Allah now must accept this simple vow. La ilaha illallah. Muhammad-ur-Rasulullah. This Shahada is a sacred creed. Live by it and you'll succeed. And be a witness to the truth, though you may be but a youth.
Listen to this story.
The Holy Prophet Muhammad once said to his companions, one day Prophet Musa prayed to Almighty Allah to teach him some form of zikr for his remembrance. Allah commanded him to recite, La ilaha illallah, there is no God but Allah. Musa said, O my Lord. But this Yikr is recited by all of creation. Again came the reply, recite La ilaha illallah. Musa asked once more, my Sustainer, I want something special, meant for me alone. Almighty Allah said, O Musa, if the 7 heavens and the 7 earths were placed in one pan of a scale, and the words La ilaha illallah, there is no God but Allah, in the other, these words would outweigh the heavens and earths together. Just as Allah is greater than all His creation, so too is His holy name and His holy words. Every door requires a special key to open it, and so too do the doors of Jannah. The key which unlocks the doors of Jannah is La ilaha illallah, belief in the oneness of Allah.
Study the picture to find which lock the key will fit.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يئوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم